But cruises aren't health experts' main concern right now. Our Miguel Octavio spoke to health experts who say they expected increase in holiday travel this year, and it could be causing problems.
Doctors are getting concerned about Omicron because it's spreading so fast. In some parts of the world, doubling every 2 or 3 days.
It is just, raging through the world.
In Florida last week, cases doubled every 36 hours. Fauci says at this rate, hospitals in the U.S. will become overwhelmed.
It is going to be a tough few weeks to months as we get deeper into the winter.
Dr. Edwin Michael is a mathematical modeler at USF. He agrees another spike is coming because people who got shots 2 months ago have less immunity. He says we need boosters now.
If you lose your immunity, the only way to regain that is to go and get the boosters.
Dr. Michael's data shows nearly 100% of the population will be exposed to the Omicron variant by February 2nd. The CDC says that's because Omicron spreads much faster than Delta. They predict it will soon become the dominant strain. Experts say the waning immunity is threatening to ruin the holiday for travelers. This family met relatives from Chile at Tampa International Airport, but one nephew was turned away at the airport. Officials did not accept his vaccine.
We're a family torn apart.
Despite Omicron's threat, AAA is predicting 6.4 million people are flying for Christmas and New Year's.
If you're not vaccinated, I would say travel is really not a great idea because you are in a very vulnerable place now with Omicron.
Health experts warn there will be breakthrough infections even among people who've had vaccinations and boosters, but they say most of those people won't be sick enough to need a hospital. And don't forget basic protection.
Start wearing face masks and try and keep your physical, distancing and things.
Because right now, 90% of Americans are in high or substantial risk areas from the virus.
And President Biden plans to deliver a speech on Tuesday. The White House says he's sharing what he's doing to protect you from Omicron and stressing, once again, for Americans to get vaccinated.